this is a public service announcement and it's serious. This is the one sales pitch a year I don't focus on baseball metaphors and analogy. I know some of you are sad. I did want to touch on another interest of mine today. When the weather is nice, I like to get outside in my yard and do some gardening. I have vegetable gardens and I have some pollinator gardens. Think of your pipeline like it's a garden. Is it vibrant, full of flowers and vegetables, or is it full of weeds? Before we know it, the holidays will be here and the year is going to be over. How will you end the year, and does your sales pipeline need some cleaning and pruning? Let's touch all the bases on managing your pipeline and managing opportunities. 1. Prospecting. Get the prospecting plan in action. If you don't have a prospecting plan, create one. Are there consistent behaviors around prospecting methods that yield results, or are we just waiting for that website form to be filled out and for the phone to ring? Are you following and executing consistently on that prospecting plan? 2. Progress. Keep your opportunities moving forward. Make sure you're gaining commitment from your buyer to move the opportunity to the next phase. If a prospect is not a good fit, don't move it forward. Just let them know they may not be ready for you at this time. 3. Prune that garden. Make sure you have opportunities that are progressing in your pipeline. Opportunities where you haven't heard from the buyer in a while, they need to be pruned. Is the pipeline bloated? Make a final call to a prospect and ask them if they're still having that problem. Have they just gotten busy, or have they found another solution to solve that problem? Either way, you need to know and prune off the dead vines. 4. Organize. Do you have suspects and prospects all mixed together? Are you using a CRM to focus on prospecting while using your PSA to track the active opportunities of people who are willing and ready to buy? If your pipeline is cluttered, it will lead you to missing on the opportunities of people where they're ready to buy. Business owners and salespeople, the weather's nice. It's time to do some pipeline pruning to make sure your pipeline is realistic and manageable so you can finish the year with a big harvest.